Hello everyone. Dadun mo na mo sa mong trip karon, which is where are we going? Taiwan. Ulat mi sa mong airplane karon para pa Manila. Tagbuon na to si Ate Kai dito, then sabay na ta sa Taiwan. So last ko nakasakay og airplane kay 4 years ago, grade 7 ko. Wala ba daw nakatulog sa mga mag-BE kay nahadlok daw sa airplane. Hello everyone. So nakasakay na ng airplane. Mag-park na middle tower. Take off. Gusto man ma. Naabot na din taon niyo. Urban ka ma. Hi to my vlog. So touchdown for at Manila right now. We'll wait for 4 hours to Taiwan. Yeah, big bite.
Mama.
Dumi?
Yeah.
No.
Yapin na.
Dumi? Dumi sulpin. Iha mo kaon. Hindi, ambe ba? Ambe ba? Si ate. Hello everyone. So naghulat kami sa mong flight padulong Taiwan. It's currently 3:21. Ay, by the way guys, tanawa kong nails. I'm in my midnight era. It's already
Passport or safety practices.
6:05. Estimated time na maabot
Except
is
if required
around
without the
8
aircraft
p.m.
option. We have arrived.
Ha? Stop muna.
Hello guys. Sakay na mig-train karon. 1 hour ride pato sa Taipei sa among hotel. Awat mi sa hotel mga 11. So mana to among 1 hour ride sa train. Taipei station na ni siya guys. And then mag-transfer pa mig another train para duol sa among hotel. Kapit na dyan. Papahulay na ta. Let's go! hotel, guys. Can't wait. Shisha ball. Wow.
Ay, swimming pool na rin kay.
Room tour. Room tour. Silid ka. Hindi ko kabli-kabli yan eh. Guba natin.
Innocent say I keep a check. She was a bad
Tagaan pa may mapa. Tourist things. Kami ang inyong tour guide. First day. Woke up at 7 a.m. So main station man daw dito.
sideways party on tilt. Ooh, certain things you just can't refuse. She wanna ride like a cruise, and I'm not trying to lose. Then you're left in the dust, unless I stuck by you. You're a sunflower. I think your love would be too much, or you'd be left in the dust.
Sa atong gikuan ro. First day pagani.
Sunflower. Every time I'm leaving on you, you don't make it easy, no. Wish I could be there for you. Give me a reason to. Oh, every time I'm walking out, I can hear you telling me to turn around. Fighting for my trust and you won't back down. Even if we gotta risk it all.
Somebody help me. I cannot understand. Siguro? Medicine for Nicajin, di kabuhi. Grabe ang Google Translate. Efficacent oil turned to white flour.
Too much, or you'll be left in the dust unless I stuck by you. You're the sunflower. You're the sunflower.
So, mana may dari karon sa Tower 101.
Ano na Justin? Kulon daw.
Hi! Dugi! So, manihapon day may direct aron semending na lugar. Night market. Diri lang night market. Hello everyone. Paulit na mi karon sa mong hotel. Kapoy kayo. Sige ramig lang ko.